Hello, hello. Can you hear me? How's it going? Hi, Seth. Have you ever checked? Hi, Songfox. How are you doing? How's it going? I don't have a second monitor or anything, and so this is a very makeshift setup for today. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be working on some Pixplush stuff. I want to get the OAuth token stuff working. So that's the goal for today. But my microphone is just a built-in one today. Hello! Thank you so much. Emoji, how are you doing? What's going on? Thank you so
Or
much.
hi.
Very quiet. Oh yeah. I need to figure out how to fix it because everything's set to 100. But let me see if I can figure it out. Maybe I can add a game filter to it. Game. Let me try. Testing. Gain. Wow, this is a lot of gain. How's it now? Am I really loud? Oh wow, I'm too loud now. Uh-oh. Okay, how's this? This will work, right? Turn your mic up. Okay, there we go. Much better. Okay, cool. So right now I'm working off of the built-in microphone, but I got the camera. I ordered the camera, so that came really fast. So yeah, but I'm in Seattle right now, so I don't have all my other stuff. I don't have a second display, and I don't have the Stream Deck buttons. I don't have anything other than the camera. So at least there's a camera, right? That's good. That's good. That's better. That's much better. Okay, cool. So hopefully you'll bear with me. I am going to be working on Pixplush stuff, but it's going to be very kind of janky because I have my chat window on screen so that I can actually see what's happening. Sorry, Instagram. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. All right, so I guess let's get to it. Here we go. Oh, rip. Oh, rip. Okay, how do I? That didn't break everything, right? Can you all see? And that's like a display. Yeah. Oh no. Now everything's broken. Oh. Now I have no music or anything. Oh wait, it fixed. It's working. I guess if I minimize it, then stuff breaks. That's not good. Okay, well, at least I have that. Okay, so now, let me get my windows back. Okay. I can also tell by the title of the stream. You can tell in the stream title? Wait, how? Okay, so I need my chat here so that I can actually read what's going on. So we'll have a bit of a janky stream. Oh, rip! Okay, well that's also a problem. So I can't have my background without having chat because I can't mess with the... Oh, rip. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna ignore the to-dos for today. Just minimize it. And then I'll have chat open. Where is chat? There we go. Aha! Alright. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be perfect. Fantastic. No problem. Oh no! There goes again. Wow, this is hard. I need a second monitor. As soon as possible. Alright, so I've been working on a test authentication thing. And, oh my goodness. Okay, I need my setup done so that I don't have to touch it. Here we go. Right at the top. That's where it'll be. It says, today's fortune is love your family, work super hard, live your passion. Okay, let's do it. Alright.
How's it going? Hi Seth, hi Gamer Chick, hi Songfox, how are you doing? How's it going? I don't have a second monitor or anything, and so this is a very makeshift setup for today. But we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be working on some Pixplush stuff. I want to get the OAuth token stuff working, so that's the goal for today. But my microphone is just a built-in one today. Hello! Thank you so much. Hello, dude. How are you doing? How's it going? Thank you so much.
Hi.
A bit quiet. Oh yeah. I need to figure out how to fix it because everything's set to 100. But let me see if I can figure it out. Maybe I can add a gain filter to it. Gain. Let me try. Okay. Testing. Gain. Wow, this is a lot of gain. How's it now? Am I really loud? Oh wow, I'm too loud now. Uh-oh. Okay, how's this? This will work, right? Tone your mic up. Okay, there we go. Much better. Okay, cool. So right now I'm working off of the built-in microphone, but I got the camera. I ordered the camera, so that came really fast. So yeah, but I'm in Seattle right now, so I don't have all my other stuff. I don't have a second display, and I don't have the Stream Deck buttons. I don't have anything other than the camera. So at least there's a camera, right? That's good. That's good. That's better. That's much better. Okay, cool. So hopefully you'll bear with me. I am going to be working on Pixplush stuff, but it's going to be very kind of janky because I have my chat window on screen so that I can actually see what's happening. Sorry, Instagram? Oh, okay, cool. Cool. All right, so I guess let's get to it. Here we go. Oh, rip. Oh, rip. Okay, how do I... That didn't break everything, right? Can you all see? I have no second display. Yeah. Oh no. Now everything's broken. Oh. Now I have no music or anything. Oh wait, it fixed. It's working. I guess if I minimize it, then stuff breaks. That's not good. Okay, well, at least I have that. Okay, so now, let me get my Windows back. Okay. I can also tell by the title of the stream. You can tell in the stream title? Wait, how? Okay, so I need my chat here so that I can actually read what's going on. So we'll have a bit of a janky stream. Oh, rip! Okay, well that's also a problem. So I can't have my background without having chat because I can't mess with the... Oh, rip. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna ignore the to-dos for today. I'll just minimize it. And then I'll have chat open. Where is chat? There we go. Aha! Alright. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be perfect. Fantastic. No problem. Oh, no! There goes again. Wow, this is hard. I need a second monitor as soon as possible. Alright, so I've been working on a test authentication thing, and oh my goodness. Okay, I need my setup done so that I don't have to touch it. Here we go. Right at the top. That's where it'll be. It says, today's fortune is love your family, work super hard, live your passion. Okay, let's do it. Alright. Wabam! There we go. Hi Doran, how are you doing? We have a very, very janky setup today. So we'll see how this goes. But we're making do. And so yeah, there we go. Alright. But how's everyone? How's your weekend going? How was your week? I hope it was good. It says makeshift in the title, so I figured you let you know. Oh, got it. Keiko! Ahoy! Ahoy, how are you doing? You doing good? Doing alright? Yeah? It's back in Seattle, but Art back at home doesn't feel like home anymore, to be honest. It feels like I call it home because I've been here for so long, but it feels very different, and the house looks completely different. Um, right now, I don't even have my bedroom, so I was like sleeping on the couch, and then I moved downstairs to my mother's room because she's in Korea right now. So then I was just like hanging out there working on stuff. So yeah, Debbie Cat, how are you doing today? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good Saturday so far. Yeah, where's your bedroom? Upstairs. But yeah, I don't think it's really gonna be my bedroom anymore. So yeah, we'll see. Great, that's great to hear. Yeah, we are working off of one monitor, my computer screen. So I don't even know how I look on stream right now. I'm just like, okay, let's do it. This is our setup. But that should be fine. Check it out. Also, I'm having these snacks that I got at Trader Joe's yesterday. They're called Bamba Puffed Peanut and Corn Snacks, dipped in dark chocolate. And it's so good. I didn't know that these would be so good. But pretty good. Well, kind of like my breakfast at the moment. That's not good. I'm all like the time zone differences and all things, I'm all out of whack right now. But it's good. It'll be fine. We're gonna be doing some coding. So I need some water. Oh, the puff snacks make my throat really dry though. Okay. Here we go. Pomodoro already started. We don't have a to-do list because if I try and mess with the to-do list on the background, then all my chat and everything else becomes hidden. Is there a way to actually keep this up front? That would be really nice to do. Oh, I don't see it. You spine to suffer so badly? Yeah, I need to. Yeah. Well, the good thing is, I also ordered a new massage gun because my other massage gun is back in Prague. So that will be arriving sometime between 30 minutes ago and like 6 hours from now. So it's like the delivery things, right? Every time it's like, oh, we'll be there at sometime between 8 a.m. 5 p.m. It's like, well, that's the entire day. Am I just supposed to be waiting until you show up? So we'll see. We're back in the USA. Yep. Yeah, I'll be back here for a little bit, probably about a month or so. We'll see. Maybe up to like 3 months. Don't know yet. Don't know. I'm waiting on all the things, and so I have to see. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll be here. We'll figure out my future of where I'm gonna be and what I'm gonna be doing. All the things are kind of still up in the air, so we'll see. Where are you planning to go next? Well, no, I'll just be bouncing kind of back and forth between here and Seattle, or here and Prague. But right now I'm waiting on like the visa things and all the other things. So yeah, you have to be available 24/7 for yeah. Hi Vic, thank you so much for the follow. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. So yeah, how are you all doing? How's it going? Hope it's good. I've been working on the authentication stuff. So basically what I want to do is to create a Twitch OAuth login thing that'll let us work with the Twitch login and then not have to generate a new Pixel Plush link every time. So we're gonna see how this works. I think this should be pretty good. The problem is I don't have a second monitor, so there's a very, very high chance that I'm going to be leaking my access token, my Twitch OAuth token very, very often. So, just to be prepared, I think what I'll do is I'll have this page ready so that if I accidentally show my Twitch OAuth token, then yeah, whatever. We'll just revoke it really, really fast. But that's probably going to happen today. So yeah. Snack time. Yup. That sounds really good. I brought some snacks back from Prague, like the Typki Chochkove. It's like lentil chips. Oh, it's so good. And so I got one for my brother, and then he ate it all on the first day. He was like, "Oh, these are so good," and then it's all disappeared. So now I have to make sure that these ones I save. But the snacks are so good, right? And then, well, the snacks here are also pretty good. Like they're like peanut butter caramel coated popcorn. Like these are good, but they're also like sugary or salty. And I'm realizing like I have a little bit of snacks here, and then I'm like, I'm done. I need more water. Like that was good, but wow, cool. Like so much stuff on it. Yeah, Steven, how are you doing? Sugar popcorn? Yeah, it's peanut butter caramel coated popcorn. Pretty good, right? Cool. Okay, I need more water. Having dark chocolate and green tea. Oh, that sounds good. Having small bright green tea before I get back to sketching. Oh, that's good. Yeah, everyone, check out Debbie Cat. She has all the cool arts and all the cool Instagram things. All things. I still have to try the church questions. It's so good. You couldn't find them yet? Oh, maybe they're only at Albert. So if you go to Albert, maybe it'll be there. Yeah. Are you still using WSL? Kind of. Not quite yet. Did you give up on it? No, I haven't given up on it. But I need to get all the repositories and everything over to the Linux instance. And then I have to see how everything else works out. But I like it a lot. I just need to get used to it. But see, Edward, the one thing that at least kept up with it is... Oh, this is the wrong one. Where is it? Aha. Look. Albert has it. It's they're Bohemia chips, so there should be at other places too. But Albert was where I found it. So yeah, maybe it's there. Maybe. I was learning about Fourier series. Oh, are you doing all the the number series now? Are you gonna do Fourier transforms and stuff too? Windows Terminal is great if you're using Windows OS. Oh, okay. Remember, we used Taylor series to approximate something. I can't remember what. It was like way back in the day. It was like Heidensburg Eternity and Leventhorpe. What? How? How did that happen? Hi, Bim. How are you doing? How's your Saturday going? Going pretty good. I've been up since like 3 in the morning or so. Because jet lag, right? So that 3 in the morning is like noon in Prague time, and so I'm just on like really lazy, slow Prague time. Is what. So, did you know about all this? Did you all know about this cool stream? Or just saying? Aw, Dev Cat. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much for supporting Pixel so much. I'm excited because when the OAuth token renew, like when this thing is done, then all of the links and everything that generate from Pixelpush is never gonna have to be refreshed ever again. I mean, unless you're like gone from streaming for like 3 months or something, then the actual token will expire. But that should be okay. And ooh, Debbie, wait, I don't know if everyone can see. Okay, it's working. Debbie, did you know that now you can do this? Do parachute debug, and then it shows debug info, which I can't see right now. Maybe I can show you on here. If you ever need to debug what's going on like parachute drop or Plinko, then now you can see it kind of very barely. But you can see all the different debug issues and everything, and then type it again, and then it goes away. So I'm in the process of making things much easier to troubleshoot. And oh, okay, here we go. All right, I will get all my windows back in place again. We'll see. All right, and I need this one and this one. All right, good to go. Zoom in. Oh dang, Bim, were you zooming? You're all about fancy terminals, though. You should check out hyper.is. Hyper.is, huh? Whoa, fancy. Hyper is an Extron-based terminal built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and fully extensible. Oh, install themes and plugins from the command line. Hyper Rosemount. Whoa, fancy. Okay, this is me ever since I've come here. I don't know if it's like dusty or what. Oh, it's frustrating me.
I'm so distracted by the bouncing bird over now. Oh, it's so cute. Point crow, peak crow bounce. Oh, that's so adorable. I love that emote. Hyper, yes, I'm gonna save it. Thank you, Adoran. Hyper, TM. Hyper is. Oh, I get it. Hyper is. Oh, I really. Oh, sleeping on a couch. Yeah. Keiko, it's killing me. I need to not sleep on the couch anymore. Oh. Alright. Terror, how are you doing today? How's it going? Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good weekend. We are going to be working on the OAuth token stuff where it has a refresh token, and then we'll be able to just use it constantly on our Pixel Plush games, and then won't need to refresh and regenerate these tokens anymore. So this is the first thing that I was doing, which I need to do some stuff. I need to change the port to, let's say, like 8,000. That should be fine, right? I think so. And then we'll go here. I'm gonna change this back to 8,000. And no, I'm not a robot. Save. Yes. All right. Perfect. Okay, and then let's see. Wow. It's gonna be like the code is. Oh, wait, it doesn't even work. Okay, I'm running it. Okay. Ah. But I'm pretty sure this is long expired now. So yeah, you better come back to prog before it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see. I have to wait. I have to get all the things and everything else in place. So yeah, just waiting and hoping. I mean, we'll see. If it doesn't, then I have no idea what my plans will be after. But it might be completely somewhere different. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, I mean, I'll at least have to go back at least once more. But ideally, it would be great to be able to just like actually be there whenever and learn more and get better language and get more immersed in the culture, and yeah. So that's my hope. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how next year kind of plays out. But either way, it's an adventure, right? It's cool. It's good. And okay, I need to fix this. Oh, that's what I was trying to do before. Okay, before I was streaming today, I need to shrink this window so that I can read chat still. Great, as you can tell. Alright, so what I wanted to do was to update this element with the actual authentication link. So it's document.getElement.id, connect is the name of the element, and then was it attributes? Can I just set attribute? Set attribute is what it is. Set attribute href equals, oops, not equals, is going to be auth link. Aha! There we go. So now if I have that, then this should have the client ID, redirect, etc., and the redirect needs to be updated because it needs to be 8,000. Here we go. Just saving the dev badge. Yeah! Can you believe it? And hi Piglet, how are you doing? It's going. Thank you so much. Yeah, can you believe this? Look! I have a game badge now. Wow. That's so cool. That's really cool to me. Because Pixel Plush, we added as an organization, or like applied for it, and it was pending for so long. I was just like, okay, it's not gonna happen for a long time. We'll see. And then all of a sudden, last week it was just like, oh, like we didn't even get a confirmation email or anything. It was just like I kept on checking every so often, and then it was done. It was just like not in the pending list anymore. It was just like, here are the organizations. Let's go. Whoa. Fernez, how are you doing? And Piglet, we are working on the OAuth token stuff again. So the idea is we generate the OAuth token with Twitch, and then this is using the this thing, the code grant flow, because if we use the code grant flow, then what we get back is an access token and a refresh token. I don't know if you can actually see it. I think I'm actually hiding it. I'm like sitting behind it. This is probably going to be easier, right? If I have my chat here on this side, on the left side, then I'm covering it, so it doesn't matter. And then if I have the actual code stuff and everything on the right side, that makes, now everyone can see it, right? Let's see, I'm gonna use a preview. Yeah, this is better. Okay, there we go. Now I can reach out. Sorry for the janky setup today. I'm gonna work on it more, but I literally got back here like 2 days ago, kind of, like 1.5 days ago or so I haven't had much time to really kind of like get everything all set up yet, but it's a work in progress. And big congratulations, you landed on target for 83 points. 83 points, that's a lot. Oh, okay. So now what I'm working on and trying to test is when you refresh and then have the token, then it goes to the auth endpoint right here. Oh, thank you, Gabriel Chick. Thank you. Yeah. Game dev badge. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. And so now we're like officially game developers. Pixelflush is an official game studio according to Twitch now too. Setup just adds bonus points to your community. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here today with all the things, but I'm hoping that it sounds okay. Like the microphone's not even a good microphone, it's just like the built-in one, but it should work for now, right? That should be fine. And then maybe I can borrow my brother's Blue Yeti while I'm here. We'll find out. So yeah. Okay, so there's one more thing that I have to do to this, which is I need to install. Did I install it already? Oh, I did. I installed NoteFetch already. Wow. Okay, imagine that. Wow. Wow. Excuse me. Okay, so I just needed fetch and then do NoteFetch, and we're gonna be able to use the token and see if it works. The constant result, and we'll do await fetch. Wow. And you are on it. Nazdraví. Oh, thank you. Děkuji. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. What am I even saying? I don't even know anymore. Alright, so this needs to go to r.json. Okay. I don't actually know what we have to pass into this, because we get the token back, we have to do an HTTP post request with client ID, client secret. There's a secret? I don't remember the client secret. Oh no. This would probably be something much better done if I had a second monitor, huh? Like, this is not gonna work. Like, how? Okay, I need to switch scenes for a bit. Oh my god, there's almost down. Vintage Luigi and Kiwi, how are you doing? Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? How are you all doing? Thank you for being here. We're working on Pixelflush things, and today's project is kind of the worst project to be working on with one monitor, because I need to be hiding a bunch of like the client secret generation stuff and all these other things, but we'll make do. We'll find doing good. That's good to hear. Doing good. Yeah. Muy bien. Wait, no, that's Spanish. Ça va bien. I'm mixing up so many languages now. Oh, rip. I'm glad you're doing good. We're making it so that the links that are generated from Pixelflush then never have to expire, as long as you're just like using it and it refreshes automatically. So it's almost there. I'm gonna have to do a few more things. So wait, npm install .env. Alright, so fine. And then I need to require .env, and then config this. Alright, this is gonna be good. Oh, my nose has been so runny, literally since I've gotten here, which is only like a day and a half ago. But my nose is running. Rip me. Vintage Luigi, you landed on target for 69 points. Congrats. Wow. Wow, that's great. Okay, so let's see. What I need to do is I need the client secret. So I'm gonna have to switch scenes for a bit so that I can actually do the client secret things. But I'm gonna create a new file first. So then be like, this is where the client ID goes, and then client secret goes here, and the client ID at least is not a secret thing, but that should be fine. All right, what happened to your mic? Well, I don't have my mic here because I left it in Prague. So right now I'm working with a built-in microphone. Also, are you in Seattle? I just left. You just left. Back broken nose, Sravani Seattle's trying to show you. It really is. Oh goodness. It's like, why did you come back here? Waiting McDonald's for 2 hours never showed. Wait, what? What? Have you been trolling me the whole time? Are you actually not in Seattle? Because I thought we were. I thought we were actually going to meet up. I never troll. Okay. Okay, sure. Alright, so I need to change my scene for a second. This one. Because I need to get and generate a client ID or client secret. Wait, new secret. Do I have a secret? I don't know if I actually ever generated a secret. Did we? What would I use the secret for? I don't think I've ever generated it. We'll find out. This might break everything. This might break the current Explosion things, but I don't think so. It should be fine. We'll be good. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that's all I needed. Alright, here we go. We're back to here, and I need to go here and reopen all the things again. Wow! Alright, there we go, and I have this, and I need this, and that's good. It's all good. Alright, I have the OAuth token invalidator just in case we need it, but otherwise we're good to go. Set the following URL forming encoder and on the post. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do method. It's gonna be a post, and then the body is gonna be. Wait, if I do www form URL encoded parameters, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let me see. Fetch X formula. Oh man, Keiko, you're right. Seattle's trying to kill me. What do I do? Oh, this is what you can do. You set the headers, the content type like this. We were on a short break. Well, okay. There goes the short break, everyone. Congratulations to everyone that participated in the Pomodoro. And well, let's get back to work, I guess. Alright, so this is what I have to do, right? It's what? You have to put together the with the payload like this, and then your body, and okay. Body technology. Holy smokes! Even simpler, URL search for. Oh, you can do this. Oh, okay. I like this. This makes things super simple. So, let's go. Why? I should really start documenting all of this and put it into a GitHub gist, and then it's easy to look it up and just be like, okay, this is how it's supposed to work. Yeah, do it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Keiko. I'll be okay. It'll be fine. Is it bad to be here 23-year-old freshman? No. Why would that be bad? That's not bad. I mean, maybe if it's like 63-year-old freshman, then maybe it's a little bit more difficult to find friends and people that'll also study and do group studies and homework things with you. But otherwise, I don't know. Seems fine to me. You're so old. Wow. Making me feel super old now. Alright, here we go. Process dot end dot client ID, client ID, and client secret. Secret agent, man. Secret agent. Okay, so what do we need to pass again? We'll find out. Find out if this actually works. Because I don't know if... Oh, wait, URL search parameters supported. Wow, in Node.js. That's pretty cool. It's normal to feel that way in your 20s. Try not to focus on too much. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, in your 20s, everyone just feels old. And then you get to your 30s, and then feel even older, I guess. Imagine that. Wow. Oh. Yeah, how is 23 old? Isn't 23 like the new 13 or something? Sounds right. It sounds about right to me. Wow. Okay, client ID. And then we need client secret. And then we need the code. Alright. This is gonna work. Hiya. This is what I say all the time. And then we need grant type. It must be set to authorization code. Okay. Grant type needs to be set to authorization code. So we'll have that. Yeah. Hiya. And we needed one more. What was the other thing? Redirect UI. Redirect URI is going to be oh wait. And then the host 8,000 off. Okay. This will be fine. Alright. 23 feels old to you? Guess that. Oh rip. Swat Kid, how are you? Just curious, how is Dream Puppy doing? Dream Puppy is doing okay. There's a bunch of stuff broken at the moment because Twitch updated and removed a whole bunch of features or API things and changed how a lot of things work. So I'm still working on the version 2 of Stream Puppy. I need to get on it. I need to finish it. Right now, I don't know if I'll be able to finish it this month. So I'm kind of aiming for end of November, probably more like December. But what I'd like to do is to have it be kind of like something that works side by side with the Stream Deck and stuff too. So we'll see. There's a bunch of cool things that I have planned for it, but I really just need to make more time for it. Yeah. Because and then you hit your 30s and are like, bring this. Oh, let's make it hard. Yeah, sounds right. Yeah. There's always stuff with API changes. Oh, thank you, Swat Kid. Yeah, they changed so many things all of a sudden without like really real notifications or anything. They're just like, oh, by the way, we're changing this, and we did this, and this, and this. And it's like, okay, thanks. Wow. Oh, that you're doing stuff, but like keep us in the loop. The Wise Gabriel, thank you so much for the follow. Oh, that's a good name. Thank you. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. We are working on some Twitch off stuff today. I think I got this right. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that all I need here is the code needs to be qs.code, and the client secret and client ID are going to be what I've set earlier, client ID and client secret, like this. And then grant type authorization code, that's fine. And what I need to also do in here is to do generate and check the state, because we want to be using that state so that people can't do like, what is it, the CSRF attacks. I forget what that stands for. Cross site reference something. CSRF. Cross site request forgery. Yeah. It's like when a website pretends to be you and tries to hack into your authentication method and stuff. So we need to generate a state, but we don't have to worry about that state stuff for now, because right now we just wanted to make sure that this works. And so, all right, body and result. So this is what's gonna happen is we're gonna authenticate, and then I'm gonna have to invalidate the Twitch OAuth token as soon as it shows up. but we're going to make sure that this actually works. And so I'll have this ready. All right. We got the connect with Twitch. All right. And then it generates. And all right, access token. We're going to go here and go bam, invalidate. All right. Perfect. So now we can see how this works. Okay, so we've got the code. It was authorization code, and the scope was there, and the state. This is what we're going to generate. And with this, what's cool about this is now we get an access token. How long it lasts for expires in. How long is that? That can't be in milliseconds, right? That's like in minutes. I'm pretty sure that's got to be in minutes. Like 1/4. Yeah. Divided by 60. How many hours is that? 234 hours. Okay, so like 10 days, basically 9 days. Is it really? That's so short. This can't be right. Maybe it's not minutes. I always thought I'd die young of a tomb. Wow, talk about being a cynic, huh? Will you store the token in the browser? Yep. Hi Moshiko, how are you doing? We're gonna store it probably in the local storage. We did some tests with OBS to make sure that even if you delete the browser source, it stays in there, and that was successful. So it should work. It should work. We'll find out. That'll also be kind of a test. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a tissue real quick because my nose is killing me. All right, I'll be back. Much better. Oh, that's so much better. Ooh. My nose is cleared up, kind of, for now, temporarily, until it becomes watery and runny again. How does my nose get so runny? Alright, so now, let's see. Expires in. I want to make sure that it's not just like 10 days, because that is really short. Refreshing access tokens. Alright, let's see. Token type there. Current access token and a refresh token with the scope. That is what it did, right? And I can tell it there. Alright, so expires in, and how long in seconds? It is in seconds. Expires in is in seconds. So it lasts like 10 days. That's so short. If you don't stream and use the Pixelplush stuff for like 10 days, then wait, what? Are you serious? Nothing is a token. How do you acquire the token? Only access tokens that I've seen refreshed. Whoa, okay. You cannot refresh app access tokens. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, but then how long do the refresh tokens last? Primary refresh tokens your app uses the refresh token to get a new access token after. Okay, that's fine. Oh yeah. Did you see Chainsaw Man? No, what's Chainsaw Man? What's that? 2020. Did you see Debbie? Did you see Maya's collection art? That was so funny. It was like, I used to collect toilet paper when I was little, and so I'm gonna make a toilet paper thing of collections. And then everyone was like, oh, is that because of the pandemic? It's like, no. There's a whole story behind it. If you store in local storage, it will keep the token even if you close the session. Yes. That's pretty cool, right, Moshiko? Pretty cool. We did a bunch of tests around it, so it should work. We'll find out. We'll see. So yeah, what I'm wondering though is how long do the refresh tokens last? Because refresh tokens has changed. Your actual safely stored. Okay. Can refresh tokens? Yeah. Refresh tokens can become valid. Okay. So now it's supposed to be all right. Oh. Okay. Wait, does that mean that I also need to invalidate the refresh token? Oh, it's already invalid. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Cool, cool. But what if you close the browser? Yeah, that's what we tested. We made sure that even if the browser source itself is deleted from OBS and then recreated, it still keeps it. So yeah. Oh, that emote is so cute! Chukopog. It's like, oh. That's so adorable! I love these emotes. When are we all playing Overwatch 2? I don't know. I haven't installed it yet. That's so cool that it's free though. I need to try it on. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so at least what we have so far is the authentication works. We can get the access token, which is good. We can get the refresh token, which is also good. We can get the scopes. Yeah. Alright. That's pretty good. This is pretty dang good. So now that we also have the format of everything, let's try refreshing it. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to create a function that says refresh token. Or wait. What I'll do is I need a function. Async function refresh token. Access token refresh token. And then what this will do is it'll take the access token and the refresh token. Wait, does it need an access token too? I think so, right? Just a refresh request. So the refresh request needs to have it's basically the same kind of thing, but it doesn't need an access token to refresh. Oh. ID client secret can type refresh token. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. So we only need the refresh token and the client ID, right? That's what it looked like. Client ID, client type of things. So, okay, so we don't even need the client ID because we can just use the thing. All right. That's amazing. This is amazing. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna create two functions. There's gonna be get token from code. And so we're gonna have there we go. And Darkball, how are you doing? Thank you for the follow. No Lash Girl, how are you doing? What up? Well, right now I have a little bit of a janky setup today because I only have my one monitor, and so I have my chat right above me and then the code over here, and we're doing the Pomodoro. We got 5 minutes left, except I don't really pay attention to the Pomodoro. It's like, oh, there's a timer, we must do the things. So that's what we're doing today. We're working on getting the Twitch authentication with a refresh token working so that we can refresh and get a new authentication token anytime. That should be pretty good. Uncle B, how have you been? How are you doing? It's great to see you. Love the hearts added to Fix Splash. Oh, it's glad to hear that. Moshiko landed on target for 89 points. You doing good? That's great to hear, Darkball. That's great. I'm doing good too. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Wow. Glad you love the hearts. That was actually not even my idea. That was Maya's idea. She is the genius behind all the visual things on Fix Plush. So, hope you enjoy. So glad to hear that. That makes me happy. Wow. Okay, we got the client secret and the code. So the code is going to be here. Authentication token and redirect URI. Okay. We'll add that in there. Redirect URI. And so, we'll put that also in there as redirect URI. And then we'll just return this. Oops. Return. And that's it. Alright, so now I can go here, down here, and then simplify this. This will be const to result equals, and then we do await data and us.code, and http ://localhost 8000 oops 8000 /auth. Perfect. Wow. All right. So generates the things, it does all the cool things, but we haven't figured out when it errors out, but that should be okay. I think we can do that later too. So now the next thing we need to do is to figure out how we can refresh token. So a refresh token, what's cool is this is going to be also helper in StreamPuppy, but the new version of StreamPuppy is going to have a new server and everything, so this is going to be helpful for that too. Yeah. Dude, well, getting back to the Twitch community, that's good. Yeah, it's great to see you. I'm glad you're doing well. And welcome back to Twitch. I'm surprised you stuck with Pomodoro. Yeah, it was cool. I mean, LifeAt was your suggestion. I like it. The whole co-working thing was like, hey, Steven was like, hey, you should do some co-working things, and then we can all work on it together, and we can be productive. And it happened. Oh, Irish John has a game dev badge now too. Oh, wait, you might have had it already. Probably before I did. John, how are you doing? How's it going? And Darkball just started to learn JavaScript. Heck yeah. I'm starting to, I bookmarked them on Twitter, but I'm starting to gather all the different like learning resources, and then maybe I can put together a guide to say, hey, for anybody that's new to coding and has questions or whatever, then here are the different resources that you can go and check out. So, yeah, they took around 3 months. Yeah, right. Exactly. It took them months to be like, oh, Pixel Plush is a game studio. Okay. so everyone, Irish John Games right here is also a game developer. He's working on a game called Rise of Piracy. Super fantastic. It's awesome. And you can also add it to your Steam wish list already. Steam wish list. There we go. So yeah, go. It's free. It's free to just like add it to a wish list. So why wouldn't I do it? Right? Check out your Twitter. Oh, thank you, Darkball. Thank you. I need to I'm gathering all the different resources, and then I'll put on install so yeah. Dang, that's awesome though. Oh, I love the game development badges. Patterns.dev is a good resource for Adoran is so good with all of these things. How are you in the know with all the stuff? Improve how you architect products. Alright. A short break has begun for anybody that wants to take a break. 5 minutes. So sit back and relax, stretch. I'll do a stretch real quick too. Probably good too. Oh, stretch is really good. Patterns.dev is a free book on design patterns and component patterns with building powerful apps of the world. Oh, this is nice. Publish patterns, tips, and tricks for improving how you architect apps for free. Interesting. Optimize reactive filters. Wow. Hooks pattern. Detection. You know what's funny? When I started programming way back in the day, right? I didn't really understand the whole concept of like coding patterns and design patterns. I was just like, well, we just code and build the things, right? And then over time I realized like, oh, that's what the design pattern things are about, like the whole thing with MVC and like having different functions and being able to make it testable, like, but yeah, it's like these coding patterns. I feel like if you're just starting off, it's like, what the heck is a pattern? And then you start getting into it. It's like, that's Ghana. How are you doing? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. How are you doing today? How's it going? Not just an ebook, by the articles are online as well. Oh wow, yeah, this is great. I saved it, so I think I'm also gonna minimize it so that I can look at it later. Been kind of meh. Oh, how's your hardware thing going? I hope it's going okay. So I'm glad that you're here, bro. sorry you're feeling meh. Hopefully it gets better. Yeah, what about you? I'm doing good. Doing good. Just we have a janky setup today. Just trying to get back into the rhythm of things here in Seattle. And it's different. It feels different. So we'll see. So yeah, still having issues working with Rust. Yeah. Rust seems cool, but hard. I need to play around with it more. But this is what we did so far. We got an access token generated from code and the code grants flow. So now we're working on getting refresh tokens out of it. So the refresh token requires, it must be set to refresh token. Okay, grant type is refresh token. We don't have the code anymore. And what we need here is refresh token is what needs to be passed on. So pass the refresh token and that. And supposedly that should be it, right? This should be all they need. So we will find out. Yeah. So what we do is we take this refresh, or we get the token, and then we say refresh result is going to be await get wait. Refresh token. Oh, okay. This refresh token is the thing. So then take this and what was it? Don't worry, everyone. This has already been invalidated. So, take that. Alright, so now we get the refresh token here, refresh results, and then we'll say refresh result is what we're going to pass or return. So now, let's see. Supposedly, this should fail because the code is now expired, right? Invalid authorization code. Perfect. Hi Sparky, how are you doing? Happy Saturday. How's it going? We are working on the things and it's starting to work, which is pretty cool. Invalid authorization code and it's the status. So, okay, this is good. We can now know and say if there's a stat value and it's like 400 or something, then something has gone wrong. Oh, yeah, everyone check out Irish John. Such a nice guy. Super awesome. And he even made it an entire command just for me in his channel. So cool, right? So cool. Sparky, how are you doing? Doing good? That's good. Hope you're well. I'm doing pretty good. Pretty good? Yeah. And short break's almost over. We're working on this to try and get the authentication, the OAuth token generation on Flush working, but I only have one monitor. So I have the OAuth token invalidator ready to go, and I'm working off of a regular, like the built-in mic. So the microphone's gonna, I probably sound very different today. You still tired from trying? Oh yeah. I'm like perpetually tired, but you'll be proud of me. I actually booked my, well, not booked, but like reserved my actual like first vacation time hours from work for like the first time in over a decade. Actually, I don't even remember when like the last time I actually booked a vacation and or I'm saying booked, but I haven't like booked any flights or anything. It's more like reserving that time and say, hey, this is like time off from work as like using vacation hours or whatever. I don't even know if when did I even do that? like in my whole life? I don't know. I think so. Maybe once or twice, probably. But yeah. So basically, at the end of December, I have basically half of December completely off from work, from everything. And so now I don't know what I'm gonna do with that time yet, but I'll have to see. I really just don't know what my life looks like beyond maybe probably a month or two. I'm back to that point. It's like making a full circle back to how it was last year, where last year was worse because it was like I have no idea what my life looks like beyond a week from now. Now it's back to being like, okay, I don't know what it looks like a month from now or 2 months from now. but within the next 2 months, we'll see. I'll have a much better idea of how like my next year looks. So I'm waiting for all the different things to find out like how it's going to look next year. So we'll see. That's where I am. So yeah. But either way, that's pretty cool. That now I'm like, okay, I actually booked. I keep saying booked. What's a good time? I actually register or like put blocked out time at the end of December to be like, hey, I'm not gonna do anything. Probably take a vacation, travel somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. But I have the time blocked out, reserved. There we go. I haven't booked for over 5 years. Oh no, where'd she go? Spend some time with Mommy Fluffy? Oh, probably not. She'll be back here in about 2 weeks. So yeah, so I'll be able to spend time with her then. Yeah, last country was Hungary. Oh man, that would be cool. I would love to visit Hungary someday. Yeah, we'll see. But either way, I have a vacation kind of sort of scheduled now. It's just I don't know where I'm going to be or what I'm going to be doing. But I do know that I won't be working. You're going to enjoy Christmas time and not think about work at all. Yeah, for like the first time ever. That's pretty wild. Waiting Buddha, how are you doing? How's it going? What's up? Not too much. We are working on some Twitch OA token refresh flow things. And it seems to be pretty good. Seems like it's working so far. So yeah, you were in Budapest? I've never been. Oh, maybe I'll get to go. We'll see. It really all kind of depends on what happens in like the next month or two. Because I'm waiting on all the different things and like the visa and all the things to get processed. So yeah. If I get the visa, then it becomes much easier to plan out and be like, oh, okay, like that's where things are going. Like this is what I can do, and like this is where I can be. But yeah, PS Vita. Oh man, I used to have. Do you remember the Code Villain? How are you doing? How's it going? And hi BJ. Is Mr. Chips Chopsticks? Yep. I'm also eating these Bamba puffed peanut and corn snacks. Chopsticks today. Alright, thank you, Democrat. Thank you so much for hanging out. It's so good to see you all the time. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you again soon. I'll see you again in your stream soon too. Everyone, check out Democrat if you haven't already. And Code Villain is also here. Code Villain, how are you doing? Doing great. How are you doing, Mr. Energy? Oh well, it's great to see you. I'm doing well. I just got back to Seattle, and right now, I think you'll be very excited to hear this. I'm working on a new authentication flow for Pixel Plush, where it'll generate an access token, the OAuth token, but it'll also generate a refresh token and things, which means that essentially you shouldn't have to generate a new Pixel Plush link ever again, supposedly. Hopefully, we will find out. But theoretically, this is how it should work. So that'll be pretty cool. Right? So yeah, that's what we're working on today. So then, like, it's not gonna expire. Like, we won't have that issue of like, oh, your OAuth token expired, you have to get a new one. So yeah, auth specific to a specific link. No. It's gonna be, so the OAuth token generated has different scopes like permissions, and then it lasts a certain amount of time, which I think is like about 2 or 3 months. But this one, it's a completely different authentication flow in terms of the boot. Thank you so much for dying, hold on to support. Wow, thank you so much. Holy cow, look at the love bag. Wow, the way back focus and this focus. Yeah, definitely the way to go. The problem is we need a different background
9 months insta happy.
Handle all of this. But now we're implementing it. So I could have probably made this a long time ago, but yeah, now
Oh,
pretty correct. So we'll see. Good Bill, thank you so much for 9 whole months so far, which is really cool because now you have 9 whole emotes plus 5 animated emotes that you can use to spread them all over everywhere. I hope you do. Hope you use them as much as you can, as much as you like, because they don't expire for a whole month. And so yeah, and Ryan, thank you so much for the follow. Samira was a notification loud, probably really loud. I have a different setup today, so it's a little bit different. Like I have one monitor because I didn't bring all the things with me back from Prague. So I have my built-in microphone on my laptop. I have my one screen, not even a second monitor. I did get and managed to order a new camera. So this camera I can use here. So yeah, back to the US. Yep. At least for like the next month or two, probably. So yeah, built-in microphone is better than mine. Is it really? Is I don't know. I don't even know what it sounds like, but I'm glad it is. Squeaky toy. Oh, I don't even have that running. I'll do the squeaky toy for you. How does the squeaky toy sound like? It goes. That's my imitation of a squeaky toy. It sounds smooth. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I was afraid that the microphones probably sounded really bad for me. How many Pomodoro's do you plan to do today? I don't know yet. And pretty much until this is done, until this is working, which it's almost working. But then I need to also implement it onto the Pixel Plush server itself. So we'll see. So probably a few more hours, maybe an hour or two. Yeah. So hopefully you'll join us for some Pomodoro. Holloway, how are you doing today? How's it going? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good Saturday. And yeah, Code Bullet, it's gonna be so good, right? Like having this where you don't have to regenerate a token ever again. Oh, it's gonna be so awesome. I'm excited. It's gonna be kind of a test to see if it's actually working. Yeah. Just found you. Oh, thank you for finding me. How did you find me? Wow. Oh man, tell your friends, tell everybody else to also find us, because we love to have you here. Truly awesome. Yeah, I'm excited for it. It'll be good. Thank you again so much. Thank you so much for the supports. Holy cram. This is what I did. Right now, there's an invalid authorization code, which is fine. That's good. That's what we expected. And so what this means is, I think you're gonna need this. We'll have to say wants to fetch, and so we'll have result here, and then no. I think this is fine. We'll just return it, and then we can check here, or whether or not the token and the refresh token was actually successful. All right, so here we go. I need to get the authorization code thingy ready, because I'm gonna have to invalidate it soon. Unfortunately, I don't have a second monitor today, so I can't actually use it. So I need to do the thing and then invalidate the token right after. You know, we hit 100. Oh, you did? You did that 25 times last year? How did you hit 125 times? That's amazing. You know, we've never gotten it once on this channel, so 25 times is wild. We need to do an exclamation point. I don't think I'm getting 20. I'm not getting 100 points. Sparky got the perfect score the very first time on our old version of the game, but we've never had 100. Yeah, never. Not even once. I think we might have once when I rigged it and wanted to test it, but that's it. I think it was for like Dutch Gamer 46. He might have gotten that 100. That's about it. Ooh, look at all these drops. Aww. Alright, so let's see. I connected with Twitch, and then we have, alright, refresh token. This was the result, and I need to invalidate. Bam! Alright. So, let's see. Oh no. I need to rerun it because it's using the old one. Oopsies. Alright. This means that if I Invalidate this. Yeah, invalid token. Token is already invalid. That's good. Alright, so now let me try this again because I didn't update the actual code. Oops! Whoopsies. Alright, now the refresh token should theoretically refresh with a second token. And so we'll see. Alright, alright. I think that means it worked. Let me make sure. Alright, perfect. So, to invalidate, perfect. So, this is cool because we actually used the refresh results and then was able to get a new access token that, oh, I didn't check if this was actually different from the access token that we were supposed to get. Now, it's fine. It's fine. So, here's the other thing. I wanna know how long the refresh token is valid for. Because supposedly the refresh token should last a long time, right? Ideally, it should last like basically practically forever. Is it Node backend? Yes, yes, Node is great. I love Node.js. Refresh token, and okay, expire. Expires when you get a token. As long in seconds, this token expires, valid. So also, although you could use the exam to proactively get a new token before it expires, it's discouraged. Using this approach because tokens will become invalid for a number of reasons. Okay. Inside Twitch recommends that apps reactively respond to the HTTP so unauthorized. Oh, I need to cover some. Yeah. Oh, I think I also got a mosquito bite here. Yeah. Yeah, React is front end, and then you'll do Node on the back end. That's perfect. That's so good. That's really good. I like that stack. What is it? The MERN stack. Even if you don't use Mongo, is it still a MERN stack? Like, if you use like DynamoDB, is that a DERN stack? Because then you have DynamoDB, Express, React, and Node, right? I use Web at Web instead of Express because it's lightweight and I wrote it. Yeah, it's DERN. Oh, do you know the corn meme? It's cold. It's corn. I like corn. What was it? I forget the song, but that's what it reminds me of now. It's like React Node. It's like it's corn. I use the corn stack. That would be so good. It's corn. Yeah, I reuse the first token after receiving all response. Okay. React, Rust, Postgres, Arduino, C stack. It's corn.
Oh, Masabade!
Gierpo, thank you so much for the follow. Happy Saturday. I still get confused when I try to understand React hooks. Oh, well, that's good that you asked because, hold on. Doran just let us know about this website, patterns.dev, and in it, there's literally a lesson about the hooks pattern. So, bam, there you go. Hopefully that'll help. I moved away from React now. Next is oh yeah, I heard really good things about Next.js. I gotta look into it. Next.js seems like it solves so many different problems that React has. So I haven't used it yet. I haven't tried it, but I have my eye on it. So yeah, that's gotta be good. Ooh, Next. I need to use Next. Next is like the next React, right? That'll be so good. What I can say is Next supporting internal APIs is and how much of Next is like the whole server-side rendering stuff? Next.js is also used React, so it won't be moving too far. Yeah, that's what I heard. Next.js makes server-side based React. Yeah, server-side rendering and all things, and it makes it all super smooth and super fast. Seems pretty good. We'll see. It solves other problems too, like SEO things and all the routing and I don't know. I haven't used it much. These are all the things that I've just kind of read about, and so that'll be cool. Render React JSX into HTML. If you do React, please try out Vite to go along with it. Oh yeah, I use Vite all the time. I use Vite to actually set up the React app because it's super easy. Yeah, Vite is great. I love Vite, except it looks like Vite. I love Vite. Vegemite. Wait, that's different. HD or .NET MVC. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. It's like we're fully circling back into not just client side but server side rendering all over again. It's not a bad thing, right? PHP is great. I used to love PHP. Yeah, that used to be what I used for all of my web development, and yeah, I still use it sometimes for WordPress stuff. So I think it's good. I'm trying to see. There's a way to check tokens. First token can invalid if the user changes the password or discards your. Oh, so refresh tokens might basically last forever unless they change their password or something. Oh. So this is pretty much like lifetime token. It lasts forever. Yeah, just wait till you try it out. Astro. Back to node client side routing. Oh boy. I will cover it in the future, but right now React is my focus. Yeah. Check out the pattern.dev. I think it's good. Not a fan of .NET, but a job position. I like .NET. .NET is great too. I just haven't used it much lately. JavaScript kind of works for everything. So yeah, I haven't needed it. And all the things that I want to build with it are also possible pretty much in JavaScript. But every so often I have to go back and be like, oh, okay, like I need C# for this thing. So that seems to work. Or sometimes every so often, sometimes, very rarely, but sometimes it's like, oh, I need to go back to C or C++. That's happened maybe twice in like the last couple of years. Maybe it's more of a C# thing. Oh yeah, could be. C# is nice. I can understand why people are still like huge fans of it. It's great. Okay, so now that we know the refresh token and all of this stuff is working, let's see. The next thing we have to do now is the state generation thing, right? What we need to do is to do this CSR tag prevention, generate states, and then make sure that it's actually properly set, all that stuff. Okay, let's do it. I'm kind of feeling lazy, but I'm just gonna push through it, and then I think we'll just make it happen. I have code that I use to even generate this, but yeah, I don't have it on here. Yeah, not sort of fancy way. Simple things like sorting an array feel like comes to pass. Are you using link? Because sorting an array should be really simple if you use link on C#, right? Like link. Link with a Q, by the way. Sharp. Sort. List. And then it should be just that. Like you just do dot to list and then dot sort. And then it's pretty much like JavaScript. Or order by. There you go. Yeah. How do I sort? I use lists using like blah 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 bam. And so then it's like, okay, I have this list, I want to order by and then by and then to list again. And that's it. Link is great. Or array, that sort of array. Does that work in C#? I don't remember. I actually don't remember. Wait, is there an array that sort in C#? It does. Oh, okay. Well then, there you go. I don't know. I haven't touched C# over a year. I'm getting back to what tab after a year. Yeah. If you want fancy sort, you gotta build a class. Wait, what? No, you don't. Hold on. With a lambda, right? You don't need a fancy sort. You can do this, or you can use link, and then you can put in like the comparison, the iCompare interface, whatever thing, and then yeah, you don't need a class. it should handle all of that stuff for you. Yeah, just use the lambda and then do the comparator interfaces. Yeah. So hit extra. Oh no. But it's really nice to do. Yeah, my comparer. Here it is. Array that sort method, and then yeah, you pass in the comparer thing. Yes. And then implement this thing. Steven, what's up? What's up? How do I harness my focus? I think you're asking the wrong person. You're asking the king of squirrels how to harness focus? Wow. Oh my gosh. That's an extra class. Oh, this? Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, reverse a class, I compare. But you can also do this with a lambda, I think. C# compare. Wait. Sort lambda. Compare. Aha. Let's sort lambda. Aha. There we go. Name the example. Sort with this, that, and then compare to. There we go. Like this. Numbers that sort, and then you do this thing, and then A to string, compare to, and bam. Or am I seeing it wrong? Yeah. So this one, you can use the lambda expression to it. And then, that's for lists. But you can convert arrays to lists really easily. You just do list and then pass in the array. And then, at the end, you just do .toArray. Then the list, yeah, you just do new list, and then whatever type it is, and then you pass in the, and then afterwards, you just do .toArray, and then you get the array back. It's very nice. So C# is nice. I like it. Break up your large tasks into small. Oh, that's a good advice. Then you will feel more accomplished, and you make a to-do list, and that makes it much simpler. Yeah, hopefully that helps harness your focus. Wow. Zen. Okay. So first, what I learned from JavaScript, I apply everywhere. Oh. Yeah, it makes sense to me. Yeah, it's because probably more because I use C# for so long that I'm just like, oh yeah, this is how you can do all the things. Why do people hate on JavaScript so much? I don't know. I like JavaScript. I think people used to hate on it a lot more back in the day. Because I used to be one of those people where I was like, JavaScript can't really do anything. It's just a web language. And then all this other stuff built around it, and then it became much more kind of like universal, and a bunch of resources built around how to learn JavaScript and how to learn its coding. And in the meantime, a whole open source community developed around it, where it's like you can do like package management and so many different things. So the ecosystem is really what I think puts and pulls JavaScript back together. So yeah. So now I love JavaScript, but like 10 years ago I would be like, what? JavaScript? Why? Casanova, thank you so much for the follow. Happy Saturday. Is there such a thing as an unhated programming language though? Oh. Good question. I don't know. JS is the most known for web dev anyway. Yeah, it's become like the pillar of web development now. I feel like Python might be an unhated programming language. Because very few people used to like Python, and then now it's become like the language for data. Like, if you're a data scientist, then now it's like, oh, okay, here's how to do all the Python things. Steven hates Python. Oh, I still have not gotten used to Python yet, so I don't really know. You always find people who can find a reason to hate any programming language. Yeah. But then there's stuff like Bash and Perl. Oh man, I don't think I'll ever master Perl. And backend for Python. Oh yeah, backend with Python. There's always someone who hates anything. Oh yeah. And there's always someone who hates anything. Okay, so we need to implement the state. Let's see. OAuth state parameter. Let's generate one. I want to generate it. Prevent attacks. Ah, here we go. This will help us. What we need to generate is a nonce. This is a one-time number. Once number. So nonce is like once with a number and nonce. Am I even pronouncing it right? I don't know. Probably doesn't really matter. But basically what we need is to generate it with a random state generator thing, and then we'll compare it when it returns back and says, okay, like we are the browser that originally generated this, and so it looks fine, this is good, and then we can move forward with it, right? Like the problem is, what this is trying to prevent is someone sniffing the Wi-Fi connection where you're connected, like say you're at a Starbucks or something and you're like, okay, I'm working off of my free Wi-Fi here, this is great, and like I'm gonna do all the secure things, and then someone intercepts it and says, and it's called sniffing, right? Like, so then they're like, oh, okay, they're doing all these things and and so I don't need their password or anything, because all I need to know is what network traffic packets they're sending, and then I can record it, and then I can do the same and replay it, and then I'll have access to the Twitch OAuth token because I replayed it from my laptop, and they didn't even know because I was intercepting all of the network traffic off the Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much what this is trying to do. This is trying to say, okay, like this is the same variable, and you only have it on your own browser. So then when you send it and it comes back, then even if the other guy tries to replay it, this state variable thing is only going to be valid once. So when it comes back and someone else has replayed it, they'll get it, and it won't work anymore. And so that's the prevention security thing here for those random scenarios. Huh. I don't even know if that made sense, but there you go. Cybersecurity is fun. And Sean the Sheep, how are you doing, by the way? Happy Saturday. It's great to see you. Should I try to go to Europe for a month in December? Sure. If you have the opportunity to travel, yes. Yes, you should go. Simple as that. And Sean the Sheep landed on target for 19 points. Congratulations. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I like Saturdays. Fridays are my favorite days of the week, but I like all the other days too. Then you have 7 kids, and then you're like, okay, which one is your favorite kid? Then I would probably just name them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I'd be like, yeah, Friday. But I promise, I like all of the days equally, right? Oh wow, my favorite child is the one behaving. Yeah, could change depending on the time of day and what day it is and how the stars align. Sparky says, pack your warm clothes. Or you could go to Hawaii? Oh man, okay, Hawaii sounds cool. I want to go to all the places, but yeah. Oh man. Maybe, we'll see. I have the time figured out for December, so at least I have that. Just don't know what I'm going to be doing or where I'm going to be. But Hawaii, oh. We'll see. Maybe next year. Next year will be like, next year I plan on just being like all focused just on what I want to do. Like this year, I was kind of like, this is a transformative year, and like I'm gonna do all things and like change things and invest. And then next year is gonna be like, you know, I'm doing what I want to do, and this is gonna be great. So next year should be cool. I'm excited. It'll be like, wanting to travel. Okay, I want to do this. I want to finish this project. I want to go here. Like, that'll be good. So yeah, that'll be next year. Next year will be like more just like focusing on self-care, I guess. I'm starting to do that more this year already, which is good. But next year is like, that'll be my whole entire year focus on that. That would be good. Bora Bora. Oh, that would be cool. I've never been. Jim Kobe, wasn't there a year-long Malibu? Really? I've never been. That's another place I'd like to go. I have a list. You know how you can save lists on Instagram? And so I have one called Destinations, where anytime I see something where it's like, oh, I would like to go there, or it's like, oh, I wanna have like an escape to like a cabin or something, and like I just save it. So yeah, Maldives. There's Maldives. I don't know, but that's definitely on my list. And Jorbinder, how are you? How's Pomodoro going? Pomodoro's going great. It's going fine. Unlimited stay. Wow, that's awesome.